pro status. I'm a pro. Hello everybody, Tori and I are hanging out by the camper.
And just where's the Shadow Cruiser this week? Thanks to our Harvest Host membership, we're spending the night at Workhorse Brewery in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. If you're unfamiliar with Harvest Host, it's a cool way to camp at unique locations such as breweries, wineries, and more. To find out more, there's a link in the description down below. But let's talk about Workhorse Brewery. With two locations, one in King of Prussia where we'll be hanging out, and another in Center City, Philadelphia, the brewery is driven by a simple mantra: without quality, there cannot be growth. Determined to find their place in the Philly beer scene, you can find the care and effort put into every detail in their King of Prussia location. Especially now with a lot of carefully thought out and efficient protocols to keep patrons safe and socially distanced, it's obvious that the brewery is very focused on their customers. After checking in for the night, we took a quick look at the menu and asked about the infamous beer slushies that we kept hearing about.
Obviously, you got like the butterscotch. It's top notch.
I like butterscotch.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go for the guavarita.
The guavarita? Sure.
I'll start with the butterscotch.
Yeah, sure. Like I said, were you guys? You said you're going to bring these back to your RV, or do you want to relax in the beer garden?
We'll probably chill down on that.
In the beer garden, yeah.
So we'll give you a number. You're number 5. Leads nice and visible, so we know where to run it out for you folks. And
Okay,
nice and
perfect.
started.
The beer garden at Workhorse Brewery is absolutely massive, taking up a huge section of their parking lot. Oversized Adirondack chairs, picnic tables, and tents give you plenty of seating options. It's the perfect way to get that tailgating vibe 7 days a week. But we have important business to take care of. We have to try out these beer slushies. Frank went for the butterbeer option, while I was team guavarita.
The guavarita slushie is really, really good.
That's awesome.
Really good.
Yeah, it's butterscotch. It's like butterbeer.
Nice.
$6 a piece. I'm gonna spend about $600 on it.
We also had to sample some of the food while we were there, testing out their soft pretzels and, of course, pizza.
It's a very good song.
Nice.
I like how they cut them in squares.
At that point, we decided to switch to a picnic table, so Frank headed inside to let them know.
So our new number for out here is 21, and then later I'll bring this one in back into them.
Okay.
And of course, order some more pizza because why not? All right, let's talk about the beers.
Good.
Very, very tart.
That's the margarita beer.
Yeah, the margarita beer.
Then I got the Oktoberfest. Because let's be honest, it's October. But when you're watching this, it'll be November.
Yeah. Can I try a sip of that?
Oh, that's awesome. You will not like it.
Okay, alright, let's see. Not for me.
Yep.
Not for me. Let me go back to Tart Town.
But it is delicious. I love Oktoberfest. I don't know, that might be better than Sam Adams. I don't know. That's a broad statement. That's a pretty wild statement.
Overall, it was a great experience and a really fun way to spend a Friday night.
We got here around 3:45, and it's about 6:30 now. We've sampled quite a few of Workhorse Brewery's brews and slushies. They have quite a few of those as well. It's a Friday night. Great time here. I will say the service is absolutely amazing. I mean, amazing. We haven't gone out many places as far as to eat, but we have gone to a handful of breweries, a couple of restaurants since March, and a winery. You'll see some of those videos come up in the future. But the service here is awesome. So basically you can sit outside in Adirondack chairs, or you can sit at picnic tables, and they have these little QR codes which you scan with your camera. You have a little menu, people come around and ask what you want. You start a tab if you'd like. They just take your card on file. Boom, They bring it to you. It's awesome. We're just having a good time. It's a lot of fun here. There are other campers. There's that guy. And then there's the Winnebago. There's a kid that keeps on going up to the front and honking the horn. They seem like they're having a really good time. And yeah, we're just having a really good time here, hanging out. They're very unique too in the way they do things. Like a lot of places you go to, you have to order food. You can order food here, or you can bring it with you. And basically what they do is they put everything in to-go cups, and you can hang out at the benches and whatnot. Pepperoni pizza, compliments to the chef. Excellent cuisine, as I call it. Tori's having fun over here. But yeah, I mean, just you see everybody's out right now. Everybody's just having a good time.
Yeah, the cool thing is back there, so you can rent like a little area of the parking lot and invite a bunch of your friends and have like basically a tailgating party on their premises, and they'll come and they'll bring out like beer to your party and stuff like that. It seems really cool.
But yeah, no, a really cool place to come. I recommend to everybody. The atmosphere is really awesome inside. The inside is open. Really cool. They have the menu up on the wall. They have their specials when you walk in. Everybody's super friendly, as I said. Tori's just sitting here laughing at me.
Sorry, their menu up on the wall.
Their menu. They had the menu on the wall. They took it off the ceiling because people were complaining. Neck problems, am I right? Well, of course they have on the wall, but I just
thought it was cute. I'm sorry. You're very funny to me right now.
okay. Anyway, they had their menu on the wall where you could read it. Very well leveled. Compliments to the chef. We got a couple 4-packs to go. We're gonna have a couple tonight. Bring a couple home with us tomorrow. We're gonna have a fire tomorrow at home. But yeah, Workhorse Brewery in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Awesome. One of the best breweries I've been to in a long time. We've gone to some others and they're great as well, but this one's just fantastic. Their service is just awesome.
And with that, we'll wrap up our time at Workhorse Brewery in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. If you're interested in learning more about the brewery or Harvest Host, links will be down in the description below. And if you like this video, check out our whole playlist of Harvest Host videos that'll be at the end of the video. We'll see you guys next week, and until then, cheers.